How to design stage lighting for theater. Are you curious about how to design stage lighting for theater, especially in the context of electronic music performances? Let's break it down step by step. First, understanding the production is key. You need to know the show's story, mood, and important moments. In theater, lighting helps tell the story by highlighting emotions and scene changes. For electronic music, it's all about syncing with the rhythm and beats to create an engaging atmosphere. Next, analyze the venue. Look at the stage size, ceiling height, and where the audience will sit. This information helps you decide what types of lights to use and where to place them. Creating a lighting plot is essential. This is a detailed plan showing where each light will be positioned. It helps keep everything organized and gives you a visual of the overall design. Now let's talk about lighting positions. Front lighting is crucial. It faces the performers and makes them visible. However, if you only use front lighting, the stage can look flat. In theater, spotlights and parkans are common choices. For electronic music, moving head fixtures with red, green, blue, white light emitting diodes are popular for adding color and movement. Backlighting is another important technique. It's placed behind performers to add depth and separate them from the background. This creates a three-dimensional look. Parkans and vertical bars with light-emitting diodes are often used for this purpose. Side lighting and top lighting can also add texture and highlight movement, which is vital in both theater and electronic music. When it comes to lighting fixtures, there are some exciting options for electronic music. LED moving heads can pan, tilt, and change colors quickly, creating dynamic effects. Laser lights produce sharp beams that match the high-energy vibe of electronic performances. When combined with fog or haze, they create stunning visuals that sync with the music. Strobe lights can intensify high-energy moments, while LED strip lights outline stage edges and add color. Setting up the technical side is just as important. After mounting the fixtures, adjust their angles and intensity to ensure even lighting. Using gobos, which are patterns placed in front of lights, can add visual interest. Programming lighting cues to sync with the performance is essential, especially in electronic music where timing is everything. Testing is crucial too. Make sure to check everything before the show starts to fix any issues. Balancing visibility and atmosphere is vital. You want performers to be seen without overpowering the mood. In theater, this means supporting the story, while in electronic music, it means matching the energy of the music. Using color thoughtfully can evoke different emotions. Electronic music often uses vibrant colors to energize the crowd, while theater may use softer palettes. Incorporating moving lights keeps the visual experience engaging, especially in electronic performances. Highlighting key moments with intense lighting effects can make transitions even more exciting. Designing stage lighting for theater, especially from an electronic music perspective, involves blending traditional techniques with dynamic effects. With careful planning, selecting the right fixtures, programming cues, and using atmospheric tools, you can create an immersive experience that captivates the audience.